Так. Всем перебить. Перебить. Угу. Отлично. Северный Янтон 9 лет назад. О, это же новогодняя игра. Глеб Лучкин, здорово. Да, хорошо, с наступающим. Здравствуй. Блин, может быть всю игру от первого лица перейти? Что делаем? А, достать телефон. Список контактов подорвать. Да не, я справлюсь. Спасибо. Спасибо, Глеб, я справлюсь. Так, все, лутаем. 95 тысяч. Привет, Уфит, здорово. Погнали. Зачем ты это сделал? Левый альт. Ну нахера ты это сделал? Да? Ну ладно, погнали, насрать, погнали. А какой совет? Типа, стреляй в голову, не умирай. А, до укрытия, господи.
What are you doing? Find some cover.
А как укрытие-то? А, ку.
I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves. Oh, fuck, you hear that? Siren, fuck the cops. T, hit the shutter switch. Move! We're coming through! Wrong profession! Some fucking cops! Drop this prick! You shouldn't have been a cop! Press forward! We got a window. Let's go! Can't be many more cops in this town! This is fucked, man! The thing is blown! I got my share! It's still wide open! Cars up here! Let's go! Move!
Жестко.
The kid might have failed! This wasn't in the job description! Let's go! Let's get out of
Все
here!
еще кажется, что мне нужна помощь. Что мне нужен совет. Я, по-моему, справляюсь блестяще, блядь.
What took you so long? Shut the fuck up and drive! Woo! Did you see that shit?
Бля, погодите. Так. О, все. Назад.
That bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that? Yeah, you're a real stout. Fuck, how'd that happen? Go, 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 go!
Блин. Как же их дохера этих полицейских? Понимаю. Let's get to the chopper. Какой поезд?
Coming our way! Be cool! They ain't made this car yet. Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it. Shit, shit, shit! Roadblock! Go right! Beat the train, man!
Да ну нахуй! Давай! Ну, нормально, нормально, нормально. Ух. Я уже думал, все.
You guys all right?
Зимняя машина. Точнее, зимние шины. Гляньте. Все в цепи, все такое.
No, hey! Stick to the plan! What? Stick to the fucking plan! Come on!
У них какой-то план.
Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck.
Ну,
Check around back.
да ну прям в грудь. Сердце, по-моему, или легкое пробило.
We gotta get the fuck out of here. I'm hit. Oh Jesus. Oh, T, you gotta get out of here. I can't leave you, Mikey. Go. God, I'm like.
Видно, что у него крови нету.
No! Come on. Come on. Die, you cocksuckers! Kill me, you pricks! Fucking die, all of you! Motherfuckers!
Ебать их много.
Hey, you, hey!
Курому бронированного нет сюжетки, только в онлайне. Понял. Ты о чё? Сразу приобнял бабку. Все, его жена теперь будет. Вот такая вот тема. Кошмар.
Not always a good citizen. He did not die a hero's death.
Сколько полицейских мы убили, ё-моё.
Our Lord was crucified in two thieves. So perhaps we should not judge. We are born of sin and we die in sin. And in this Father, we do not know your infinite mysteries, but we know that you will show mercy to our friends.
GTA 5.
Your son, James. He's a good kid.
He's a good kid? A good kid? Why? Does he help the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our standard for goodness, then no wonder this country's screwed.
Да.
And what about you?
What about me? Hey. I don't have the advantages that kid has. By the time I was his age, I'd already been in prison twice. I robbed banks, whores, smuggled dope.
And you consider them achievements.
These were the opportunities I had. At least I took them.
And where did these opportunities get you, Michael?
They got me right fucking here. The end of the road. With a big house and a useless kid, and I'm stuck talking to you because no one else gives a shit. Oh, I'm living a dream, baby. And that dream is fucked. It is fucking fucked.
Let it all out.
I think I just
Ох
did.
уж. Ох уж эти проблемы богатых людей.
Think that's all we have time for? The same time next week?
I guess. Oh. I gotta tell you, I ain't too sure this shit is working for me.
Well, a sense of overriding futility is a vital part of the process. Embrace it.
Whatever you say, Doc.
О, да. Началось. Почалось. Да. Даже в начальном ролике видно, что он куда более живой, чем четвертая часть. Хотя четвертая часть была безумно реалистичной.
I know just how you feel.
Man, shit gotta be around here somewhere.
Unless they buried it under the sand, fool. Lamar Davis production.
Fuck you. Hey, excuse me, homie. Can you tell me where Berto Beach House is?
No, homie, I cannot.
Man, would you come on?
Actually, yeah. It's that house right there, with the yellow stairs.
Yeah. Good looking out, homie. Appreciate it.
Man, get your stupid ass on. Damn. Why don't you ask him if he knows the fucking owner? Or better yet,
Do some skywriting that reads there's a couple niggas here about to boot you. Somebody didn't realize.
See, you don't realize we ain't boosting. It's business.
Legit.
Законный, ага.
God, huh? 401ks, tax returns and all. Yeah, right.
You the one all pumped up on doing this lick, nigga. I'm getting my money in the hood. I'm straight, fool. I'm cool.
You cool? Cool what? Slinging dope and throwing up
Привет,
gang
Тата.
signs? Yeah, right.
Whatever, homie. Yeah, homie. This the spin knot right here. Your boy Simeon wasn't bullshit.
Get your ass in there.
Наверное, в названии стрима стоит написать, что будем проходить от первого лица. Короче, это будет ёбка от первого лица. Я так еще GTA 5 не проходил. Ну, проходил-то всего один раз, и это было очень давно. Так что, да, это будет довольно-таки интересно, я думаю. По ощущениям, как будто совершенно другая игра, если от первого лица играется. Ифрит. Тебя забанить нахуй или что? Так. Удали его сообщение. Так. Погнали.
Damn. This nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Oh, come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga?
Красная быстрее.
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real, homie. Damn, this motherfucker got robo roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
Чтобы спустить, поднять крышу
You gotta grind
аж.
that shit.
Ага.
Now it's back on us.
Hell yeah, I want to see what it do. Hey, hit me on the speakerphone, dog.
Oh, it's like that? Show, homie.
Ладно, погнали.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Alright.
Мать твою.
Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace. Homie, I'm good.
Твою мать!
Hey, open up, homie. Give me some room.
You want room? Go lose some weight with your fat ass.
А куда ехать-то?
Damn moron. Whatever
Чё меня заделаешь? Блин, от первого лица это не так просто, я вам доложу.
Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Блин, я ну, пришельца забил.
Shit, cool, homie.
Fuck you get in front of me.
Блять, Ламар, придурок ебаный.
I get here soon. Man, sorry about that.
I'm schooling your ass, boy.
Ебать.
From the shoulders, homie. Hey, dog, we be doing Simeon a disservice if we ain't test these rides out.
He ain't even gonna know if they good if we don't push him to the brink. How you feel me? I'ma tell you,
Вот
boy, Simeon
ублюдок.
shit. Left here, we going through the parking lot.
Yeah, whatever you say.
Remember, this is your Terrier's
motherfucker. That's the Union Depository.
Ух.
What you gonna slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can.
Whatever, nigga. I'll let something flow through your ass.
Bro, ain't you sure that joke works, dog?
Я первый приехал.
Oh shit, the one time.
Be cool, fool. We got the paperwork.
Whatever, you explain that shit. I'll see you at the dealership.
Explain that shit my ass. What the fuck?
I'm sorry I went there, but sometimes I gotta go there to get there. You understand what I'm saying? I gotta go out there. It's how it works, sir. Prices go up, G-strings go down.
Блять. Чел! Блять, там коп едет, да ну на. Ох, ёб твою мать, это было потно. Но пройдено с первого раза. Неплохо. Управлять очень трудно машиной от первого лица. Сложно видеть ее поведение и как стоит поступить в том или ином случае. Но как будто бы, типа, интуитивно я понимаю, типа, что стоит тормозить, там, слева-вправо повернуть, но, блин, от третьего лица было бы намного легче. Я бы даже, возможно, не повредил бы машину. Ну, может быть, может быть. Ну, точно не расхерачил бы ее сейчас как.
That was your fault.
Ох.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl. Oh, Nazi. Hey, you are all the same. You're disgusting. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool.
Fucking right, you better keep it right, because this man right here, he's an international businessman, a multiculturalist.
That I could not have said better myself. But seriously, maybe he's not a racist. But I don't think that he is man
No.
enough for a car like this.
Wait a second.
This guy right here, him, get him a hybrid. That's a real man's car.
I think you are right, Lamar. You get a tax rebate. I understand. Money is an issue.
Money isn't an issue.
This is the best part. Watch this when he real man, he gonna get all this fucking money. Watch it.
Look, man, I gotta go. Hey, Simeon, I'm out. I'll holler at you, homie.
It's the best part, man.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie? This chump shit. Bad, grown, and sexy bitch. Ain't got a fat Izaki.
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise with all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's sexy.
Sexy?
She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Oh, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Fuck you, I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe if you got rid of that old ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with. Nigga.
What?
What? Парикмахерская.
Y'all telling me? Oh, he here. We living on top of each other and it ain't
Ну,
right. Shoo! Shoo! Get on out of here. Okay.
двойные стандарты, что сказать?
I was on the phone, boy. Don't be listening. Goddamn freeloader.
Аптечка, ванна. Блин, прикольно выглядит все. Эх. У нас даже рубашка есть какая-то такая. Окей. Mad Dog. Mad Dog. Победитель. Mad Dog из Сан-Андреаса, кстати, кто помнит. Брюс Райт, Блуди Кэньон. Кола. OG Лок. Да ладно.
Are you cooking for me tonight, boy?
Да, даже отражение нормальное. Значит, сделать геймпад, тип управления. Свободный прицел, все нормально. Че, мы реально можем приготовить ужин? Пифвайзер. Прикольно. Я, кстати, никогда не смотрел на дом этого йога отменена в понедельник. Сац. Блохс. Сопа.
I'ma have a gentleman calling later. So make yourself scarce.
Ты кто, блин, вообще?
Oh, you're right again, Gordon. Oh, Gordon, this place is like a dream.
Franklin!
Hey, what's going down,
The market, my boy. Liquidity's a bitch. Get over here so I can give you the new repo list.
Alright, dog. I'll be around when I get a team.
Straight to the place. The grand theft and robbery man straight on my face. A cold bastard, closed gas, it's in my face for this almighty $1. What we do and what we do, you know we do it proper. And all these doctors and psychiatrists can't see me. I'm crazy. Every day these Los Santos streets gon' pay me and feel good on it. Good smoking West Coast, you know every hood corner. I drop the top at the beach. Heard it's fun in paradise, so that's the word
Насрать. Ну, вообще, как бы Rockstar сделали, это нормально выглядит, прикольно.
Hey, what's up, Simeon?
My dear boy, so good to see you. So good. Hold me.
Yeah, look.
Вот бы везде этот
Look, we've
двойной
been
рендер
working together
использовался.
for about a few months now, right?
Which is why I am very honored to announce to you that you
Это все отражения, это просто мерзкая херня какая-то.
Congratulations. It wasn't easy picking a winner.
Yeah, me, Lamar, your nephew Sacha with the Twitch. Look, man, it's been a real honor, homie. But I gotta move forward in my life. It seems like all I do is let people tell me what to do and I do it and nothing changes.
Tell you what, my boy. You tell me exactly what you want, and I will very carefully explain to you why it cannot be. Today is repossessing cars that fools have purchased at exorbitant interest rates. But tomorrow, together, I never had a black son. I want him to be.
Блин,
Nah, nigga.
Hello, Lamar.
What's up, huh? What's up, Dino?
What's up, dog?
Franklin here has been awarded Employee of the Month.
You fucking with me, right?
Man, we both being fucked with, dog.
Man, knock it off, man. For real, after all the motherfucking work I put in, man.
Man, fuck this Employee of the Month shit, homie. I'm serious.
Fuck this employee of the month shit, man. When there's some shit to be won, goddammit, I want it. I don't give a fuck what it is. You know what I'm talking about? I take no prisoners. I go hard doing this shit. Big dog, big nuts. When names is on the motherfucking board, I want to see my name at the top of that motherfucking next to it. It needs to say winner.
Maybe next month, huh?
Man, fuck next month, Simeon. What about today? I demand a retrial.
Today is nothing, just a bike. Hasn't made a payment at all. Some kid at Vespucci Beach. His name is Esteban Jimenez.
Is he in the gang?
Curiously enough, I did not inquire when he bought the bike.
We got work to do, employee of the month.
Fuck you, come on.
He's about a yes mouse ass nigga. Let's go to Vespucci. The jelly.
Веспуччи. Окей. Жизнь Ламар тупой, конечно.
You to be old hairstylist type bitch, but now it's all starting to make sense. Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vargo's dude with the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, alright?
Nigga, I don't give a shit. It's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't Girl Scouts.
In your case, I ain't so sure about that.
Man, step up, nigga. Of course this dude real. Who else gonna have the required surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub down on this bike.
20 G's?
With a 3G.
Что за мудила, вы видели вообще?
Must be tricked out, dog.
Man, this whole setup designed to take drugs money.
Alright, man, look, we go in quiet. In and out, no fucking drama.
I'll try, homie, but I'm one loud, dramatic, brass, crazy, greedy, shoot a motherfucker in the back type motherfucker. And you love me for it, nigga.
Not the car! That's right, homie. Nothing but love, nigga.
That Simeon a funny dude, though. It's gonna be a shame when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? You're a psychotic.
Да ёб твою мать!
You're a psychotic motherfucker.
That's how shit work, ain't it? You do some jobs for a fool, develop a little uneasy relationship.
I'm walking
then you
here.
do something above and beyond. You fall out, fools get capped, and then you start all over again with some other fool.
Where the fuck you get that from? That ain't my life, dummy.
Не, у меня нету.
The bike should be in one of the lockups down here.
Should be is the story of your life, asshole.
I'm gonna make this look.
Ну и хорошо. Да я и сам не хотел.
Think this crazy
Я себе не доверяю как
motherfucker
водителю, честно сказать.
Hey, what's up, homie? You alright?
No, wait from me! Uncle Zappo agent!
Агенту Зафу.
Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh? Drunk ass nigga. Be cool, nigga. Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, bitch.
Man, I don't like this shit one bit. Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in the past life to deserve your stupid ass?
This is a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine?
О, какой упитанный толстый кошак, а?
Shit, we invest.
Вы гляньте на этого.
We on the wrong
Офигеть.
side of this Poochie Beach.
Балдежный.
You know, a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. Got to be in one of these motherfuckers.
Да этот.
Man, ain't this spot a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, S.A.
So you're trying to creep up in here, man?
Yeah, you saw this motherfucker?
Ёпта УЗИ.
Hey, nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Man, stop being
Квесты на животных?
grab that heat. Oh, you think it was easy now, huh? Okay. Fuck, they must have heard some shit. Find your bitch ass some cover. Fool, I ain't making no friends out here, homie. Get out, These marks don't even know what we're here for.
You just blast they people. That might be why they hear it.
Follow me, let's get through it. Up there, to the right. Damn, it's a gang of niggas out here. They got their whole hood with them.
Flipping bricks is easier work, dog.
Up there, shoot that nigga. Bust his ass. Damn. They trying to down. Get that rock. More of them niggas. Shoot the gas, homie. You got the gas. Man, you make a fuck.
А он наверху, что ли?
You still breathing, homie?
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came here for a bite.
And that motherfucker is right there. Right? Oh, shit.
Попал.
Dog, we gotta lay low. Get the bike and meet me at the car wash.
Фу.
I'm finna find a ride. Be cool, my nigga.
Кто тут гэнгста? Они гэнгста, они там мертвые лежат, а я так. Я просто работник месяца.
Man, I can't hang with your ass for a while, bro. You a psychopath. You done finally lost.
That's that Apache blood in me, homie.
Кровь Апачи.
Scalp they motherfucking ass.
We can't repo the assets of a
Вот большая жопа.
asshole.
And we ain't going to neither, nigga. I'm gonna keep this motherfucker for myself. Tell Simeon we couldn't recover.
You fucking tell him, you fucking moron.
Реквизиция, да. Ну, смотри, я благодаря GTA сейчас научусь водить и получу потом лицензию. И на дороге появится новый воин, так сказать, воин дороги. А, черт. Надо спереди. Я араб.
Excuse me. That boy. I am his mentor. I am so proud of you.
What do you mean, a mentor?
Don't worry about that.
Okay, so what you got for him?
James DeSanta. Some kid. He is already late on his payments and I have
DeSanta.
a feeling that he will do more damage to
Всё,
the car than
сын
we can
Майкла.
get back from him in the exorbitant interest rate payments. Just go and get it. The house is on Hampstead off Eclipse. It's an SUV. Some Rockford Hills daddy's boy nonsense. Don't worry about it.
То есть
Try to bring the car back in
у
good
меня
condition, huh?
дыра в плече
So
сзади,
good
в
to see
спине.
you, my boy. Hey, good luck in law school. So,
Так, получается, вообще, как бы игра мне как бы намекает, говорит на то, что, мол, между всеми этими событиями прошли какие-то, ну, какое-то время, да, типа. То есть, несколько дней и так далее. А не вот буквально несколько часов и тому прочее. Потому что вот буквально несколько минут назад только вот сын Майкла приходил за машиной. И мы у него идем уже забирать машину за неуплату, типа.
Hey, did you change your mind?
When I discover that you betray me, perhaps. I hear you took the bike for yourself, my employee of the month.
Listen, man, me and Lamar was gonna get that back to you, dog.
Oh, I am sure. You'll get this car off the daddy's boy, and then we talk. Insurance papers say they have a locked garage, so you'll need to gain access from inside the house.
Man, it's never easy with you, is it, Simeon?
Do not talk to me about easy, you thief.
Блин, Ламар, какой же Ламар мудила тупой. Блин, украл байк себе и потом всю вину на нас скинул. Говорит, типа, это мы спиздили. Типа он это все делает еще, типа, ради того, чтобы быть работником месяца. Капец, он идиот. Fuck.
It's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch.
Огромная манда.
Dad! He said I had a massive...
Massive.
Jimmy
А,
called me a bitch!
You tried to knife attack me? No one creeps on the chain. I'll cut your dick off if you call the administrator. Hey, you know what? I am the administrator.
ебать.
Hey, Simeon, I got the ride, man. I'm coming back.
If you actually bring the repossession to me this time, I can have it back out on the street before the day is done.
Его вроде сзади нету. Не, вот он.
That's a 9mm semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Don't look around. Take me where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. The guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this,
На первое лицо не переходит, если
you're
что.
working a credit fraud.
Credit fraud? Be serious, dude. I just worked the fucking repo.
I appreciate a kid who follows orders without taking responsibility. Yeah, maybe one day we'll have a beer, and I'll explain how the world really works. Who gives you the slip?
A car dealer, dog, by the name of Simeon Yeteri.
So this businessman.
Семен.
Legit to you?
Он реально Семен, по-моему.
Between him and your fucking son.
Семен и Терян.
Don't worry.
А тут они
Me and
перевели
Mr.
как Симон.
Yetarian. We'll work this out.
Ебать он злой.
Hey, man, it's Jess up here.
Okay. Stop the car. Pull up. That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Whoa. Drive into it. Right through the fucking window. And fast.
Ифрит, не тупи, пожалуйста.
2 rounds in the back of your skull. I'd do it myself.
Man, you can't be for real.
I look like a fucking joke to you.
Man, fuck my life, man. Fuck it.
Do it.
Oh, shit! Franklin, what the fuck are you doing? Mr. Sammy, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker! I won't be treated like this!
А, блядь!
You think you can take me for a ride? Recognize this car? Huh? Does it look like it's worth $5 grand a month to you?
You fucking racist!
Расист.
I'll tell you something. This thing's gonna need some serious body work before it's worth $5 grand a month.
He agreed to financing. I have his signature.
Yeah. Did he agree to have some punk break into my fucking house?
I don't know.
That kid might be a fucking idiot. But you are a fraudulent scumbag piece of shit. Ugh. Don't make me have to come back here.
Зашел бы к нему в офис и документики забрал бы. Актер разблокирован. Майкл, актер. Да я бы у него машину забрал реально. Да лол, реально, вот на этой же машине поеду. Блин, как же громко. Из-за того, что лобовое стекло разбито.
I was here first. I was here.
О-хо-хо, у меня пистолет, оказывается. Это дом Майкла. Здесь можно сохранять транспортные средства, я паркую их в гараже. Камасутра. Да. А. Машину Франклина возьму.
Okay, now a quick review from our resident car guy and Virgin, Fed, who's going to tell us a little bit more about the Declasse Yosemite. Take it away, dude.
Holy the man.
Окей. Так, посмотрим, что там.
Say again? How the fuck we get fired?
Man, it was partly all that bullshit you pulled, and partly the repo's old man making me crash the car into the dealership.
Ha! You crazy ass motherfucker in this partnership. You better spin them while you got them.
Yeah, if you say so.
А, чудаки. А.
Hey, look, man.
Look! You were like a son to me. Employee of the month. Does that mean nothing to you?
Man, the dude had a gun in my head.
О, крыса.
No loyalty, no integrity. You should have taken the bullet. My business, my totally legitimate business. You're fucked, my boy. Fucked.
What a bitch ass.
Bitch-ass pussy.
Hey, Franklin, why don't you come over here and let me take care of that lonely ass?
What the fuck is wrong with you, Tanya?
Ain't nothing wrong with you, nigga. Shit.
Well, your ass don't look too good. Where the fuck is JB?
Smoking.
And what about you?
I mean, you know, I quit. You know what I'm saying? Almost.
Yeah, whatever.
JB, look, JB gonna lose everything. He gonna lose the house. You know what I'm saying? The business, everything. And you his cousin, nigga. You said you was gonna
He
help.
ain't my cousin.
Whatever, if that's how you feel.
What the fuck do I know about towing cars?
Look, it's easy. If JB can do it, you can do it for fuck's sake. Come on, I'ma show you. Come on. Shit.
All right, then. Shit.
Everything.
Hey, look, let's make this quick. I got shit to do.
Nigga, you need to slow it down. Tanisha was right.
Таниш.
Tanya don't walk. No.
Наркоманка тупая.
All right, shit, where we go?
Trucks at the Davis Sheriff Impound.
Грузовик.
Man, how did I get dragged into this?
We both know you always been sweet on me. Shit, Franklin Clinton.
Shit, your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that shit no more. I mean,
Да,
maybe
да,
it
да,
don't sound
завязала,
again just for the
конечно.
taste. But I'm doing good, boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Whatever you say, girl. Come on.
Жесть страшная, конечно. На меня бы такая побежала бы в подворотне в темном, я бы охуел просто. Кошмар. Если бы я не знал, что многие так афроамериканцы одеваются, я бы подумал, что на косплей Джокера, бля. Или типа одну из вариаций Джокера. Я хз. Так, что это у нас тут? Да. Да, спасибо за клип.
You wanna bail on me after all we've been through? Don't
Да где там Анда? О, вот что случилось? А, дверь открытая, что ли?
Vehicle 29, come in. This is dispatch. We got an abandoned car at San Andreas Avenue.
Yo, we on that
San
like
Andreas.
ugly on your mama.
Said 10-9, come again? I didn't catch that.
Tanya, fool, and my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Copy that. Hi, Tanya. Car's a junker. Been there for days. 10-7. I'm gone.
A bucket. This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out of whatever crack house he laying in.
Ну, потому что мы вели себя скрытно, мы не спалились.
Except I ain't gaining shit, sugar.
Ну, по крайней мере, я.
And you know I'll make it right for you.
А на Тонио они не реагируют.
Damn, Tanya. What the fuck happened to you?
Soulwax FM.
Okay, I've seen JB do this 100 times. Back up close. Make sure the hook is down. And it should slide right in. Alright, baby. Back it up nice and steady.
Да, я понял.
Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this back to the lot.
Hey,
Прикольно.
this was not how I saw my day going.
So I ain't seen you around the hood much.
I've been trying to branch out. Can't stay
Это,
in
видимо,
China forever.
оригинальный микс
Nigga got
этой
errors
песни.
now. I remember you before you was a
Сейчас
wannabe
эта
when you
песня
just was.
под совершенно другим
Remember you
миксом
and
идет.
JB before y'all was dopeheads. Shit changed.
You the one all turfed up. JB
Rush,
smoking, but he ain't
вот это вот,
smoking
которая
homies. He out here grinding,
Secretary.
towing cars, paying bills.
Tell me you are very, very.
Cause I could have sworn it was me out here towing cars for him.
And looking damn fine doing
Блин.
it, baby. Okay, we make the drop where they got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place. Yeah, you know how I like it.
Look, enough with that shit, alright?
Ain't a crime to let my man know where it's at.
It's okay, really. I got this.
А, не, машина есть.
You see where I needed to go, right?
Да погоди, ебать. Это не так
All
просто.
good, Franklin. Unhook that thing.
А,
I'll see you on the block. Anything you need, you holler at me. Now, where is that fool?
говно. Так, Франклин, Майкл.
I got Franklin do that job for you. Franklin Clinton.
Блин, прикольно это выглядит. Как люди такие сидят, там типа даже комнату видно. Блин. Так, Франклин, его дома. Как же тухо зануда, можешь взять тот богер, что мы угнали? Оставил твоей тете. Так, пойду-ка я к вопросику. Походу гонка, что ли?
Those cannot be real. What? That crazy motherfucker Lamar hasn't got you killed yet?
No, not yet.
He must be slacking.
He's always slack.
He's a fool, bro.
It's sometime.
Anyway, talking of fools, what would you say if I told you some fools I knew were running a little racing competition? And as luck would have it, they got this really beautiful silver medal with your name on it.
I say go fuck yourself.
Go fuck yourself.
Funny motherfucker.
Так, значит, нужна быстрая тачка. Ну, не знаю насчет этого. Это вообще какой-то семейный седан. Попытаем удачи здесь. Так, пока все грустно. Ну вот это вот неплохо выглядит, но вряд ли она шустрая. Хотя... Ладно. О, там еще есть. Блин, прикольно так-то от первого лица играть, еще огонь. Red Dead Redemption, наверное, также от первого лица играется. Ну тут вообще голяк полный. Ладно, я думаю, что-нибудь найдем. Вон в той парковке, может быть. Блин, я думал, велик рабочий. Воу, расслабьтесь, ёпта. Да, блин, это закрытая парковка. Нордер хорошая игра. Не стоит поиграть. Воу, аккуратно. Holly Jolly Christmas. Что это за сирена? Так, походу мне придется брать какую-нибудь любую с дороги. О, вон он. Блин, ща. Стоять, моя тачка. Ля какая. Спасибо за машину, дед. Есть какое-нибудь нормальное радио? Да, ёпта. Проходил каждую часть GTA, каждую. Я просто рожден рулить. Ну, практически. Но, по крайней мере, водить хорошо я научился еще в третьем GTA. Или в Сан-Андреасе. Ну, неважно. Даже от первого лица это мне дается нормально. От суки, я не близко к отцу. А я подрасслабился. Ты проиграл мне свою машину, братан. Это правило Underground. NFS. Блядь. Козел вонючий. Он уехал.
Just what I need, police.
Окей, нормально. Ну типа Eclipse, что-то такое, да. Или за 350 Nissan.
I've done all that I can do. But you know how boys are. Wait a minute. Oh, girl. Whew, hey, how much further?
We ain't even gone 5 yards yet.
I know, I'm just asking.
Spirit walking exercises body and soul. It's all the rage. We are women and we are free. Free
Она блеванет через 5 минут. Своим, блядь, шардоне, который она выпила 5 минут назад.
Yeah, thank God I missed her crazy ass. She's spirit walking this shit now, man. That's just her attempts to.
Hey, don't be talking shit about your auntie, man. She got it. I mean, she cool as a motherfucker, man. Come on.
Come where?
We gotta go pick up some shit from around the corner, man. We can walk and talk at the same time, my nigga.
Why the fuck we can't drive?
Around the block with Chop? You need to walk with your fat ass.
Yeah, okay, you talk, you son of a bitch.
Долговязая скотина. Да. Посмата.
Homie, we ain't got all day. Let's go.
For sure, but what
Ну
you
гляньте
got
на
a-
него какой.
Kidnapping, fool. That clown D. That OG fool from Ball.
Dog, I told you, no more gang banging retro vengeance bullshit. I'm trying to make some fucking paper.
You gonna make some paper, low? And ain't nobody out here gang banging. It just look like that. You gotta know the difference, man.
Welcome back.
Man, great. My My aunt will be very happy, homie. She wants me dead anyway so she can get the fucking house.
I told you to quit talking shit about your auntie Loco. That's my bitch. I'm just fucking with you. I'm just fucking with you. You got the wheel, homie. Get in the van, chop. Get in the van.
Сан-Андрес 88. Тьф. Ладно, и куда мы?
Go up Vinewood Boulevard.
Hey, I like your dog, homie. Me and Chop got a lot in common. Yo annoying ass.
Man, I'm carrying both of y'all asses, homie. Look what I set up.
Man, fuck this, man. You seen Tanisha?
She straight. It's me and you that ain't straight though, homie.
Dog, I know, homie. But look, I met this contact, this white dude. Real serious dude, man. This motherfucker know the streets, homie. I know he'll be a good hookup for us.
We don't need no hookup, fool. I know these streets.
You know these streets. Man, all you know is dime bag hustling, credit card stealing. Boosting gas tankers, homie? Come on, man.
Мелкоавтовый Робин Гуд, мать твою.
Fool, that shit went up, man.
Look, homie, I don't mind dying, you feel me? But I just want to die over something that matters, homie. That's what foreign gangsters should really be about.
And I know this much, the motherfucking OGs ain't even giving a fuck about us, though.
Man, fuck the OGs then. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no motherfucking pyramid scheme.
Wait, hold on. Listen to your boy one time. Listen to your boy. You want some paper, my nigga? This is what it's about. Check it out. I'm talking about 40,000. No problem.
40 000.
Cash in hand, 2 days time, no killing, nothing.
No, just starting another beef with the fucking ballers, nigga. That's class A felony.
Балласы.
We gonna keep our disguise.
Они до сих пор существуют.
Yeah, whatever, homie. We'll see about that.
Да, прошли. Ты же был при прохождении, по-моему, не?
He bark all he like. I've been told he up in the alley.
Hey, what's up, bro? Ain't you little Laida's cousin?
Heh.
Damn, short lady.
Не.
Saying I was trying to holler at
You ain't hollering at nothing over here.
Why is it gotta be like that?
Не отводил. А.
OG, so what? So the fuck what, nigga? It's a million OGs.
Well, shit, how about I put one of these little X pills up your ass crack? Next thing you know, you gonna be begging for it,
That's
boo-boo.
disgusting.
What's happening now?
Это отвратительно.
Gangsters can't have none.
Man, fuck you, Mark. I ain't sharing no ass to CGS.
Ain't nobody sharing nothing.
Man, shut the hell up,
Fuck
bitch.
you, nigga.
Man, fuck y'all. Hey, ain't there a law against you mark-ass gangsters, insignia, mask-wearing motherfuckers?
Oh, so what's up now, nigga? You snitching or something,
Oh,
nigga?
shit.
Bitch ass nigga.
Fuck you, nigga. I'm out of here. Fuck
Come
y'all,
on, get that
bitch.
nigga. Come on, let's go. In the van, we gotta go.
Бля.
You see what he driving? Man, we in a van, motherfucker. We fucked.
Just drive, fool.
It's gonna get bumpy, Chop.
You seen that bitch back there? She a dime.
Пришел, ты уже выжил. А.
And she probably the
Мы
same
прошли.
like I said, they blocked.
Block your mind on this shit right here for a minute. You worse than Chop.
Нам его ебашить или как?
You ain't even concentrating. Do that special driving thing you do. Don't shoot the homie.
Не стрелять? Блять.
He going left, pull left.
Seatbelt. Hey, Apache Bloods, you gonna be able to trace this nigga if he goes to the ground? I know your ancestors taught you them buffalo tracking skills.
Man, I ain't gonna perform for you like some Indian in the Wild West show. That's racist, bitch.
Fucking full of shit.
You ain't gonna laugh at me.
Man, look at this shit, dawg. We chasing another motherfucker on a motorcycle.
Come on, homie, we need the van.
Да, блядь.
Oh, shit. Damn. He got fucked up.
Ему хана.
Chop, go get that fool.
Nigga, you just sitting your ass there with your feet kicked up. Come on, Chop. Come on. Go bite his ass. Get that motherfucker, Chop.
Get him.
The ransom's still the same, even if you got a bite taken out your ass.
Давай, давай.
You CGF, Chop. For real.
Ебать. Блять.
Take him down, homie. Fuck. Come on, boy. Find that fool. Sniff him out, Chop Chop. Lead me to him. He hiding in that train, boy.
Так.
Ass caught. Why ain't Lamar searching this shit? Hey, Chop, that smell like a baller? Give it up. Man, ain't shit in here.
Да блин.
Where is he, boy? Come on, where is he? Sniff him out. You smell that motherfucker, boy? Hey, where you going, boy? Look like no ballers OG to me.
О, вот что Панин видит. Ладно.
Man, that's a dude, dog. Your little nasty ass ain't picky, is you? You better not be fucking when I get there, Chop. Come on, man. Not the time, Chop. We gotta go. Lamar sure ain't been training your ass, has he, boy? Go, boy. Where the OG at? You a mean motherfucker, man. Let's go. Come on, smell that stinky motherfucker.
Да ладно, он тут.
Got a whiff of him, Chop? Stop running, dog. You scared of dogs, nigga? Oh, shit! Fuck you and your stupid dog. Don't hump him. Bite his ass, Chop. Get his
Опа.
That bitch just fucking bit me, man. Shut the fuck up. Hey, man, get over here. Oh, shit. What the fuck, man? I ain't got no beef with the CTF. Cause maybe we doing our own thing. What the fuck, man? Shit. Hey, Lamar Davis, is that you, nigga? Nigga, shut the fuck up. Just get in. Yeah, that's you, nigga. Fucking idiot. I said I had no beef, man. Shut up. Hey, man, what the fuck? Get this fucking dog away from me. Come on. Fuck.
А, какой же Ламар долбоебина, блядь.
Hey, if you don't train
О.
Chop, he gonna be a lost cause like you, dog.
We gonna stash this dude in my spot.
We going back to your crib? I've been there when you was at Dyke.
Shut up, man. You ain't recognize me.
I knew it was you before you took that flag off. You always been dumb, Lamar.
Really? Well, I guess that means we gonna have to shoot
И Фрид
your
понимает,
ass.
тему Квадробин, блин.
You ain't gonna pick
Он
up
разницу
shit.
видит.
Man's gonna be on you before you can even move, nigga.
Be quiet. I gotta make a call. We got your boy.
You calling him on a cell phone, you dumb motherfucker. They gonna trace this shit in a second.
We gonna vote him down. Pay me or pay the funeral director, motherfucker.
What the fuck you done? You just gave them our location. Now we gotta let this motherfucker out of here. Get the fuck out of here. And nigga, give me that damn phone. What the fuck? Fuck y'all. I'll be seeing y'all soon. The only reason you been seeing shit cause we went easy on your ass. Remember that, dog. Dumb bitches. Man, I told you to book, motherfucker.
Fuck you.
Man, I'm sorry.
This is
fool.
bullshit. Take me down the cut.
Man, what the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
I was getting us paid. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? That was a good phone.
A good phone? The cops was all over, nigga. Nigga, what?
Ди погиб. Да ладно, серьезно? Да вообще это охуенная идея, как по мне, убить его, не? Боже мой.
We gonna stash this dude in my spot.
Why the fuck you pull your flag down?
Man, needed to breathe.
Lamar motherfucking day. This just the kind of lame ass shit Mark like you try to pull.
Man, fuck you. And who the fuck is this Lamar nigga?
You lame sucker.
We gonna see who lame when they got my two in the back of the head. Little
Ну,
chop,
глубокая
chop,
мысль
chop,
насчет
chop.
того, что если ты управляешь животными, видишь его глазами и там прочее, и тебе это может тебе понравиться, и тогда ты такой захочешь заниматься квадробингом.
Yeah, we got your homeboy, and we ain't tripping. We gonna
Вообще, да,
come with that bread.
такие вещи как будто бы стоит запретить.
40,000 motherfuckers, so this nigga gonna be in 40 little pieces.
What the fuck, homie? Half the city gonna be mobilized on this shit. We gotta drop his ass. Get the fuck out of here. And nigga, give me that damn phone.
What the fuck?
Fuck y'all. I'll be seeing y'all soon. The only reason you been seeing shit cause we went easy on your
Ну
ass.
как маразм.
Remember that, dog?
В основном же все квадроберы это дети.
This some bullshit. Take me down
А те, кто из взрослых старается быть квадроберами, ну это педофилы явно. Которые хотят влиться в эту тусовку квадроберов.
Man, what the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
I was getting us paid. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? That was a good phone.
A good phone? The cops was all over, nigga.
Could have swallowed my card. Try to triangulate that.
It's too late. Shit's done. At least I saved you the indignity of pulling apart your shit.
Nigga, I ain't afraid to get my hands dirty, old precious motherfucker.
This is what I mean, homie. We need to get serious. Get paid. This shit ain't working.
So your old white dude gonna fix us. We're in my first class.
Look, I'm gonna learn some skills, man. Pass them on. There's a whole city out there. It's waiting to be taken, nigga.
You just give me the heads up when you over that shit. Ready to wipe old dude nut off your face, old lame ass Mark.
Man, fuck you, Lamar.
Alright, motherfucker.
Все, к Майклу ехать надо.
Cops gonna pull your ass too.
Yeah, I ain't worried about it. I'm a motherfucking gangster. You know how I do. I can take care of my sizzle.
No, the fuck you kids ain't.
Да. Я очень сильно удивлюсь, если Ламар до конца игры останется живых. Кое что видел того обезьяного бога, чувак, как он фигачит свой стрит-арт, 8 годов, реально тема. Офигенно рисует жопу. Офигенно рисует. Кто? Есть какое-то... Тебе повезло, в ЛС постоянно проходят какие-нибудь гонки. Если интересно, езжай на место встречи. Хау. Окей, надо бы следующую гонку тоже выиграть. Вау, какая краля. Мне кажется, не так знакомиться. Блин, ну это типа Мерседес, поход какой-то. О, преторкан, с наступающим. Рад видеть. Здорово. Ну, это свежая версия. Видимо, добавляли. Это же все-таки не ванила, первая версия. А, лол. Клава мыши.
What do you want?
Чё?
Come by for that drink you offered, that's all.
I wasn't really serious about that.
What?
You're here, whatever. Sit. You're not gonna rob me again.
Man, I never robbed you. That was just a repossession.
Okay. You call it whatever you want to call it. I really don't care. What can I do for you?
Shit, I just came by to see if there's something I can help you with.
Ой, ёпта, я же на вертолете летать буду. А как я это буду делать?
I'm retired.
Клава мыши, интересно. Если нам падами, то нормально, наверное. Ну просто этот первого лица, это же стрёмно, капец. Блин, ну столько времени прошло, наверное, русская озвучка есть? Я не проверял, кстати.
You look like a good kid. If you want my advice, give the shit up. You work hard, screw over everybody that you love.
А, круто.
Rob, kill indiscriminately, and maybe, just maybe if you're lucky, you become a three-bit gangster. It's bullshit. Go to college.
Поступи в колледж.
Get paid for it. It's called capitalism.
So what I saw the other day was like when a corpse briefly reanimates itself and terrorizes everyone, right?
What you saw the other day was a guy dealing with pests.
I guess I never saw myself as just a fucking pest.
Well, today's lesson's all about humility. Tomorrow we'll try a training montage.
A training what?
I was just lost in an 80s movie fantasy.
Yeah, I can see you spend a lot of time there.
As much as I can.
So that's why you here in Vinewood then, right?
Maybe I'm here because I'm just an idiot who thinks that imported palm trees are a good substitute for not really knowing what the fuck you're doing on this earth.
Jesus, man. You a good time, you know that.
I tell you what.
Привет, Ятрок, здорово.
Best I can do is buy you that beer. To a bar I like. It's not too far from here. Let's go.
All right, man. I'm following you.
Let's take Amanda's car. Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink.
Dad, shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway. It's been stolen.
What?
Блять.
It's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it. They just want to take it.
Какой он хуесос.
For my boat. Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
Ain't you looking? I'll do what I can to help with that, man.
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids. Don't ever have kids.
Hey, man, look. If I had kids, I don't think parenting issues would arise over who had both privileges and who don't. Shit, motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in the bathtub.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
No, but, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Pathologizing self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No, thank you.
Breaking news.
Oh, there it is. That's my
Бать, большая яхта на самом деле.
boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
Угол обзора кайф. Кстати, а его можешь поменять? Камера. Блять, нахуя мне такой размер экрана, если... Че за бред? Если мне монитор такого не позволяет себе. Да ёб твою мать. Что за... Что за... Так, вот это другое дело. Ну и окей.
Hey, what we about to do? I'm gonna get you close, and you're gonna go board that thing. Alright, man, shit. Fuck it, let's do it. Alright, I got a piece in the glove box. They give you shit, I'll take them out.
All that's cool, man. You shoot with one
Фига они гонят.
My motherfucking concern is I might miss the jump and fall in fucking trap.
Блять, Фрэнклин, нихуя не вижу. Хорош. Крик Вильгельма был, что ли? Давай, Франклин, ты справишься. Да я... Да ебать! Бля, ну и суета нахуй. А можно мне управление, пожалуйста? А можно мне управление? Пиздюк ебаный, блядь, все из-за тебя нахуй, пристрелить бы тебя. Блять, он тут. Кусок дерьма мелкого, реально, блядь. Залезь, залезь, залезь. Бля, машина заглохла.
Hey, it's just a thing. At least you still got a son.
Hey, there's a chop shop back there, dog. The driver's there, we can get the ride fixed.
Да, обидно за яхту очень.
It's just a thing. My boat. Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died, and all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
No, not that.
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
By selling my boat to some gangbangers?
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole. And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Frank, would you do me a favor and give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great. Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad!
Enough, all right? Enough. Hey, Frank, look, can you call me a cab?
No problem. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Customs, by the airport. All right, thanks.
Thanks, man.
Hey, so you, do much yachting?
Not anymore. No, I don't.
Before, I mean, man.
No, not really. This little shit stays in his room all day, and I don't have any other people to go with, you know? I like looking at it.
Looking?
Yeah. You know, I go down to the marina, sit on the dock, pour myself a drink, and look at her. Jacqueline. It'd clear my head, you know, let me dream.
Jacqueline, huh? Well, maybe you need to do some other shit to fill your time. Dream other dreams, man.
Yeah, sure. Whatever.
Los Customs, да. Los Santos Customs. Los Santos Customs. О, сапа Санта, патата. Блять. Сердится еще. Какой же этот мелкий говнюк. Урод просто. Я хочу произвести тебя впечатление, продав твою яхту. Кошмар. Это ж как сильно надо не заниматься своими детьми, чтобы они были с такими идиотами. Пиздец какой-то. Конечно, ну, не хотелось бы так громко говорить о таких вещах, но тем не менее, бля. Это ж кошмар какой-то.
You see?
Show, man. Hey, sorry we didn't get your boat, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Let's trick this whip, homie.
Вас приветствует Los Santos Customs. Не знаю. Обермах Sentinel.
All right. Good as new. So, what do you
А это нормально, что мне так дохуя денег?
My mama's car had almost as much work as my mama.
Да похуй, не буду улучшать эту машину. Ладно. Да, уходим.
I'm taking you home.
It's Franklin, right?
Yeah, Frank. Or the credit fraud guy. The home invader. You know what? Call me what you like, man.
Yeah. I mean, sure.
Jimmy, ain't it? Or James?
Jimmy. Or just like, Jizzle?
Jizzle.
No, man. I'll just stick with Jimmy, homie.
So, what's the deal, man?
Huh?
You and my old man? I see you at the dealership. If someone steals my whip, and Papa's all like, he's been down there to talk to you guys.
Your pops did more than talk.
What'd he do?
Look, man, if he ain't tell you, I ain't gonna tell you. But I lost my fucking job, and I thought maybe he could help me find a new one.
Dude, my dad is retired. Like, fully. Like, his only marketable skills are watching TV and daytime drinking.
Man, look, I don't know, homie. He seems okay to me.
Блин, на самом деле, Майкл охуенно живет. Лежит, бухает, курит, ничего не делает. Типа богатый. Правда, семья ублюдочная у него, конечно, но ё-моё.
My dad lost you.
Чёрт.
Sorry my dad lost you your job. It's hard out there. Tough. I mean, I'm employmentally challenged at the moment.
Oh, you got fired, dude. Damn, that's rough.
Not fired as such. I didn't get a job.
I've been there, homie. You've been putting the resumes out there, but no one's hiring, huh?
No, I didn't get a job. I've never had a job. It feels like hard work. Life, the days just kind of disappear. Hey, you play Righteous Slaughter?
Nah, not since the first couple.
Okay.
О, моя машина стоит. Ну как моя машина?
Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed, like, we could run together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie.
Замутишь.
Or we could just like shop it, you know? Play darts or get our drink on. Strip clubs. Come on, dude. I get real crazy.
Yeah, I got your number, shit. I need it, man. But hey, you know what? Man, go easy on your pops, dog. All right?
All right, church.
Exactly, man.
My brother from another mother. I mean, my mom was kind of scared.
My
back in the day.
brother
See ya. Yeah, whatever.
from another mother. Да. Сука, какую же хуйню он выдал. Франклинштейн, я тебя давал Life Invader, принимай приглашение, пиши, когда будешь, когда хочешь, и мы запустим пакет от Джизл. О боже, какой же пиздец. Джизл, нахуй. Джизл.
What's up, homie?
Hey, look, Chop got to stay around your crib for a while, homie. That's cool.
Yeah, man, it's cool. Shit's the best place for him anyway.
Like it ain't nobody out there gunning for your black ass. Bullshit, nigga. Just take care of it, man, alright?
Alright, I got you, dog.
Поехали на F. Посмотрим, что там за задание может быть. Вообще, вот эту вот тачку, что у меня, надо бы в Лос-Сантос Customs закинуть. Тачка-то охуенная. Так, какой есть нормальный трек? Радио, точнее.
One more time with me. Keep the faith.
Хера там причесу. Так, вот это дерьмо мы вытаскиваем отсюда. Блин, как это произошло? Блин, хотя она шустрая, кстати. А, ну вот прям такая тачка. Ну, кстати. Похоже на то, что мы спиздили в начале игры. Габариты нормально чувствуют? Ну, вроде, да? Какой кошмар.
I don't wanna know.
Franklin!
What the fuck? I mean, what the hell going on here?
Wait a minute. Franklin, what are you doing here?
I live here. This half my house too.
So you say? Anyway, Magenta is reinvigorating my femininity. So make yourself scarce. Boy, go. Go.
With pleasure.
Go.
Good.
And stay out of trouble.
Yeah,
Вульва.
Bitch, you ain't no more of a man than me.
I hear that.
Gangsta shit, nigga. Look who's bizarre.
up,
What's happening
fool?
with it, man?
Oh, no, show some
Привет, Дрейк.
respect here, nigga. The man, they couldn't hold down his back.
Нолан
Come
Вулт.
on,
Damn, man.
Привет, привет.
Spend my day with another middle-aged fool
Рад
trying to
видеть.
capture
С наступающим.
What this
Здравствуй.
fool just say? Missed you, dog.
Oh, you miss me, huh?
Nah, I ain't missed you. Your ass could have stayed gone for good. So I fucked your girl, mugged your moms, and better yet, I ain't thought about your ass in years.
Ha ha. You got jokes now. Huh? Hey, but I see you doing well for yourself. Check that on that.
Shit, I'm doing just fine.
That's what I hear. But I know some sweet boys up in the pen that got bigger balls than you.
You been doing your time looking at
Я их
Yeah,
забыл.
it's good to have conversation.
Fuck. Why you keep hanging around this clown, L? Shake this fool,
We
man.
from the same set, Stretch. Why y'all niggas can't get along? Y'all been doing this shit for years, man.
You know what, dawg? It's good you back home. Glad you here. Missed you, boy. Damn, you definitely got hit up inside.
Hit up? Hey, yo, motherfucker, I know little niggas like you been turned out on the daily. Talking about being hit up, nigga, I swear, man, you ain't got no motherfucking respect.
Motherfucker, I got respect for reality.
Reality? Alright, you keep thinking that. Just keep thinking that, nigga. Shit, you gonna get yours. Fuck you. I swear, man.
Presents, come on, man. Cool
what the
out.
fuck,
Chill, man.
This motherfucker get on my goddamn
The
nerves.
nigga get on my nerves too, man. Part of the nigga charm, man. F, come on, man. Let's just bust a move, man. You gonna drive or what, Bill? Wait. Pick up this heat, nigga.
Блин, господи, опять какое-то говно. Этот Ламар, сука.
Niggas act like girls. Shit.
Господи. Амуниция. Ну поехали, блин.
Shit, homie. You gonna drop all that bread on that gear, you might as well get a haircut too.
Fucking crazy-haired microphone motherfucker. I got a microphone I can shove right in your prison pocket. Nigga, you walk like you keister and shit anyway.
You know, when I went away, you punks was little homies, and I was a big homie. Now I'm out, and you little homies is big homies. But you still gotta respect.
Man, what the fuck this nigga talking about?
We all big homies, but he bigger, right?
Exactly.
As soon as we get this shit, as soon as we get paid, homie.
Ну я играл все части. И вот эти вот с обновленной графикой тройку проходил тоже. То есть Vice City, San Andreas и вот это вот все.
Oh, hell yeah. You can trick your blam blam out up in here.
Выглядит все странно, но не так уебищно. Хотя нет, местами вообще ублюдок. А, я вспомнил, я, по-моему, даже заново... Короче, что было? Третья GTA нормально как-то более-менее заремейкана была. Vice City тоже, типа, вполне себе. А San Andreas был самым уродским и, ну, вообще в плане ремейка. Там вообще кошмар был. Поэтому я там обратно на ванилу пересаживался. Я, по-моему, так поступал, да. Карманный пистолет. Нихера у меня много денег. Вот это реально гэнгста щит. О, гранаты. Молоток. Ножик. Мой молоточек возьму. О, а тут прям вот так, да? ППшка. Исуфамир. Ядрить. Какой, а? Но не, я же гэнгстер.
We ain't window shopping.
Так, и, наверное, помповый дробовик.
Now just let me reinstate, man, that the purchases made by this man ain't got nothing to do with
С
what you
гангстера
call fellow nature.
сетки.
That's right. Yeah.
Now let's go bust on some niggas.
Патроны не взял. А, есть. Жесть. Ну все.
Man, we got some recycling to do. Come on, man. We're all friends in La Puerta.
А, бронежилет, бронежилет, бронежилет. Сверхтяжелый. Беру. Ясно. Мафия 1-2, а Мафия 3 остался. О. Насчет третьей мафии, кстати, тебя сразу как бы это, ну, не жди от нее сверх кайфа, как первая и вторая. Там, короче, что случилось? Разработчики вдруг решили, что они могут пойти в open world, типа как не то чтобы GTA и там прочее, а скорее как Ubisoft. И это скатилось в полную парашу. И сейчас, что хорошо, по мафии они что собираются делать? Они же делают еще одну часть мафии, и там она будет линейная, то есть линейная в плане сюжета она будет, как первая мафия. То есть она будет прикольной, классной. А третья, она, ну, была экспериментальной и совершенно убогой получилась, как по мне.
Why do I get the feeling it's gonna be one of them deals gone wrong type situations?
Now see, that's that negative attitude Lamar was telling me about, nigga. You ain't getting nowhere thinking like that.
The power of positive bullshit. You ought to be clenching your motherfucking vagina muscles with my aunt.
Зимний мод, наверное, есть.
This ain't new age shit, it's fact. You get what you give, fool.
Ну, меня бесит в третьей мафии такая тема, что для продвижения по сюжету надо вышки захватывать, территорию брать. Хотя как по сюжету, как будто бы это не особо. Ну, короче, полное говно такая тема. Это простое типичное растягивание сюжета. Точнее, не растягивание сюжета, а растягивание геймплейного времени, я хотел сказать. Не, на GTA Online не будем играть, потому что Rockstar Launcher у меня не работает. Чего? Nippon. Так, что за лаги? А что от меня хотят?
It's the kind of spot where we ain't gonna be disturbed.
What's up, fool?
What up with
We got that shit, nigga. Where the paper at, nigga? I'm talking about buku bills.
Lamar Davis? What's up, boy? Everything cool?
Hold on, man. What the fuck, man? You was just kidnapping this nigga.
Боже, какой же Ламар идиота
Just
кусок.
got out crossing lines, did some time with some of your folks. Hey, look, this ain't about you, man. You know these niggas dumb.
What the fuck this trick talking about, man? Yeah, Somebody creeping on us? They put a nigga on TV, man, about some gang intervention shit. Hey, this ain't the police, dog. This some ballers bullshit. Nigga, that's some bullshit. Hey, we was set up, nigga. This shit fucked up. You, nigga.
Shit, old bitch ass ballers.
We doing this or what? Come on.
Snitch ass fool thought we was marks.
Now he ain't thinking shit. That fucking D set us up.
Fuck. I said lay low after you got cropped.
You lay low, motherfucker. That ain't me.
I can see that.
Ah. You going first next time, no fool.
Shit, nigga, then we all be dead. Did you think to work out an exit while you set up this meet?
There's always a way out, motherfucker. We gon' find it. Fuck.
Fuck you! Nigga, get down or lay down!
You go first. Stay after me. Nigga, we gang bang. You ain't going nowhere. Hey, baller, you the one getting bumped. What the fuck? Get out, fool.
Man, back up! Now if you caught that little bump, we really fucked.
Man, you shouldn't have put me in the room with that snitch.
You hear that? One time.
Really tired of this tape shit.
Ебать, я жесткий.
Hey, here's the exit.
To the far exit. Come on.
Hey, one time.
We ain't going nowhere with that chopper on. Take it out.
We're going down.
Up this ladder.
Да, предал.
The long climb to freedom. Watch out, Lord. Let's keep going, man. We almost out. We gotta cool this shit off. You jack, motherfucker. Get your bitch ass up.
This ain't got nothing to do with me, homie.
You the new kind of hook, motherfucker.
Ебать.
Nothing righteous about this shit. Acting like big dogs.
Any of them getting away and they mine, homie. What was your daddy drinking when he skeet you out?
I wasn't here. I wasn't even in this state.
What the cops care about us, Mr. Wood? What you own, homie?
Блять.
Man, leave us be, motherfucker.
Shady motherfucker.
Как копы не любят нас.
You just picked me up on the side of the road. That's the story, dig? I wish I was in jail, not running with you, fool.
Ooh, we gonna make
do with me, homie.
О, господи, ёбашит
Get
мать.
in, homie. I'm driving back to my crib, man, alright?
Hey, what the hell you walked me into back there?
Shit, man, you the one popped his ass.
I did the necessary.
Yeah, thank you for that, dog.
This all on you, LD. Blank, dumbass.
Me? Hey, I ain't know the fools was gonna roll on us.
If you started something with the ballers, shit, I don't care if you CGF for life, man. You done. Done, you dig?
Actually, we ain't CGL for life, cause all that means is we giving you money for nothing. We got our own shit now, homie. Foreign gangsters.
Oh, no, he don't mean that, dog. That's just talking outside his neck.
I'ma reach cross lines, alright? Conversate with the purple homies.
Yeah, that's a good idea, man. Smart shit.
But if I gotta hang you assholes out for this, the gang comes first.
Oh, it ain't gonna come to that, homie. You all diplomatic and shit.
Yeah, he a real fucking diplomat, ain't he? This that peace talking motherfucker we should have sent to the Middle East.
Блин, охереть мы. А!
No one's stopping you, little homie.
Жить они тупые, блядь. Этот Ламар и этот Стрэч, или как его там. Они собираются и дальше с балансами постараться дела налаживать. Пиздец какой-то. Пиздец они тупорылые, нахуй. А, у нас колесо пробитое, кажется. О, Салвакс. А, вот как можно.
Here we are, man. You gonna hang with your auntie while the men break it off.
Shut the fuck up.
Hell no, nigga. You sounding more and more like a snee-eye itch every day.
Hell no, nigga. I sound like somebody trying to make some paper and not get killed.
He's a hook-ass nigga, I told you.
Nigga, go toss a salad, stretch mark ass bitch.
Супер мега долбоёбы, просто вообще не могу, ну. Ладно, поехали на моцике к Майклу. Как можно смотреть YouTube на ПК? Ну, есть много вариантов. Самое что ублюдское во всей этой теме, я, ну, типа, по закону не могу тебе посоветовать, что именно и чем пользоваться. Но если погуглить, то найдешь все необходимое. В особенности на сайте под названием git.com или как он там назывался. Там много всяких разных программ есть. Ну, типа, полезные для программирования и там прочего. Там есть интересные штуки.
Hey, you! Stop it!
What's up, man?
Get out of my way.
Michael, calm down.
What the the fuck is going on?
Nothing happened. It was a misunderstanding.
She fucked up breaking my bed.
Bullshitting.
It wasn't like that.
You in?
Fuck it, I'm in. Let's roll. Let's get this motherfucker.
Just don't kill him.
Манда тупая. Какая же уебищная, типа, реально жизнь у Майкла в плане семьи, это пиздец. В остальном все заебись, но, бля.
You okay, homie? What happened?
Guy bounced my wife is what happened.
Which guy?
The guy I'm paying to teach her tennis.
Tennis coach? Oh, that's fucked up, man. You rich dude, homie. You know, back in the hood, yeah, we gotta watch out for the mailman, dog.
Yeah, I'm a cuckold, a snob, and a fucking cliche.
Он говорит, что он как old, типа, старый, типа. Блять, я тебя убью нахуй!
He lives somewhere up in the canyon. You'll find him. Find that slimy little white fucker. It's this track here.
Hey, see on one of these fucking houses?
Yeah, keep your eye out. Left his car. Check it out. Little bricks up there. Look.
Oh, shit. Coach doing all right for himself.
Нихера себе.
Asshole! You ran off before we could settle our debt.
Michael, what? You got the wrong idea, man.
They think the world owes him a living.
Ты все неправильно понял, да?
There's a winch in the back of the truck. Tied a cable to one of those supports up there.
Я видел, как
My marriage down.
занимаются теннисом на оранжевом сайте. Там чел совал свой член в теннисистку для лучшей фиксации, и они типа отрабатывали удары. А нет, хотя это был гольф, это был гольф, не теннис. Я путаю, оказывается, нет.
Oh, I hope it is, bud. We hooked up, man. You come into my house, take my money, and nail my wife? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm gonna stick up my hand and say that was uncool, bud. My bad. Seriously.
How fucking magnanimous! May I please offer you my applause? You fucking motherfucker!
Dude!
And we'll see how you like it when someone fucks with your shit!
Oh, hey. Wait! You got the wrong idea, pal. Whoa.
Here we go! Let's see what happens!
Dude, you are probably crazy.
Еба.
Shit. Sorry now, you wasn't already. Push the pedal, homie.
Ебать. Ну, по-моему, этого достаточно, все.
Coming outside tonight, dog. Come on, man, do it to him. Oh, fuck.
Жестко.
Yeah! Fuck, come on!
Fuck, man, fuck.
Oh, we did it! Fuck his ass!
Yeah, fuck him. But was we really trying to pull that dude's house off the fucking hill?
Hey, we were trying to teach him a fucking lesson.
Now that's expensive to get your ass lesson, man.
Maybe he'll keep it on the court and out of my wife.
Yeah, he not taking no housewives back to that motherfucker.
Hey, it's a service to the fucking community.
Да.
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? That's not my house!
Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
You! Yes, that one! Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo, give you green light!
Oh, I'm scared, lady. Just
Блять, за нами кто-то реально едет.
Hey, man, some mean-looking motherfucking essays right behind you.
You kidding me? Kid, do you do something?
I'll give it a go, man. Keep trying.
We can handle this, right? Screw him.
Push the pedal, man. We gotta move.
Can you back there?
Look the fuck out. Hey, let's go. Let's leave them behind.
Shit, man. Get rid of them.
We got a book, man. Go.
Fuck!
How you doing, Frank?
Push the pedal, man. We gotta move.
Бля.
Hey, let's go. Let's leave them behind.
All right, we managed to lose them.
Есть.
Pop that dude.
Есть. Все. А, да ладно. Какие настырные, а?
Come on, kid.
There you go. Push the pedal, man. We gotta move.
How much distance we got between us?
Хуя он телепортнулся, видели на миникарте?
Gotta use that gun?
I think we lost him.
Все.
Let's go back home. Wow. Shit. You did good. I mean, your aim's all over the place, but you were a help.
Thanks. I guess.
Hey, don't get defensive. Go to a shooting range. Work on your aim. You'll do fine.
Fuck, man. Shit, you good?
Fine as wine. Got a few knocks. You okay? I mean, you did good, kid.
Man, I'm cool, man. I mean, you, Milton.
Mental. Oh. I'm fucking excellent. My heart ain't pumped like that in years. Oh, yes. Fucking A, Bubba.
Man, you sound kind of mad. You just been greenlit by the Mexican ambassador to Los Angeles.
Да.
Trust me. We
Ну
handle
просто РК корешится с головой в ВК.
We just handled a few
И они хотят трафик поднять на ВК, и чтобы он стал таким же крутым, как YouTube и как другие платформы, поэтому всю эту хуйню затеяли.
man, you know what? You are wasting.
Ну как по мне, я так и думаю.
You're right. I need to do something.
И на эту мысль навел Бэдкомедиан,
On my ass.
как бы все об этом говорит.
Damn skippy, homie. All that knowledge up there is withering and dying, dog.
Hey, thanks for the help out there today, kid. I had no idea it was gonna get that hot.
Shit, pulling houses off the hillside sure has a weird way of fucking with people.
Yeah, well, I thought I was through with all that shit. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Oh shit, I think we're about to find out.
You know who I am? Do you know who I am? Do you?
No.
Well, you?
I think so.
Good. I know who you are. I know where you live. Who are you?
I'm Franklin.
License.
Да.
No. Frank. Maybe help Mr. DeSanta here. Who am I?
I think Martin Madrazo.
Good boy. Now maybe give him a little of his background.
Man, Mr. Madrazo is a legitimate businessman who was wrongfully accused of running a Mexican-American gang and a narcotic ring, but the charges were dropped because of the witnesses came up missing.
Smart kid. Now, Michael, got a question for you.
Блять.
Did you prove an architecture significant, modernist wonder home down the hillside in Vinewood Hills?
I thought the owner was banging my wife.
Well, that was a strange house for a tennis coach.
I wasn't thinking straight.
Clearly. Well, Natalia will need a hotel while you finance the rebuild, won't she?
Sure.
Good. And I'm guessing here that the rebuild will be somewhere in the 2.5 million range.
Of course.
Great.
Блять.
That's nice.
Ну, как бы справедливо.
Damn, you alright?
Не убили даже.
Never better.
Учитывая, что мы ёбнули 4 людей.
Looks like I'm gonna have to postpone my retirement. Fuck. Oh man, I'm mortgaged up to my eyeballs.
Look, I only know one way to make money. I'm gonna have to give an old friend a call. Lester. I think he's in town somewhere. I'm gonna have to track him down.
А чё лагает, вообще не понимаю.
Alright, dog.
Типа странные лаги. Типа анимация как будто бы лагает, а не сама игра. Окей. Нормально, нормально. Прикольно, прикольно.
Is this still the number for Lester Crest?
Who's asking?
Who's asking? Who's asking?
You're awful cagey. Even for a dead man, Michael.
Ooh, you don't sound good, buddy.
Tactful and charming even in death. Come see me, old friend. I'm living in Los Santos, just like you. Marietta Heights.
Whoa, whoa, wait. Hey, how do you... Hello? You fucker.
Fucker. Так. Ну что, давайте-ка утрясем вопросики, так сказать. Нет, это на экране. Точнее, не на экране, но в игре. В ОБС все в порядке.
Doc, hey.
Michael, I'm looking through my appointment book and I don't see your name.
Yeah, well, I'm more of a walk-in guy, Doc. You know that.
Walk-ins are more expensive, but I'm always happy to accommodate.
Sure, you'll accommodate me as long as I got money in my pocket, right? Hey, I'm in a bad way, Doc. I might come by soon.
Блин, прикольно. Я столько всего не помню, кажется, с 5-й части. Я не знал, что вот так вот самому можно было заезжать к товарищу психотерапевту. Сука, это команда, блядь. Она хочет нового тренера, прикиньте, блядь. Ебать наглость я ебал. Не, ну жесть какая-то. А, кошмар, кошмар. Тяжело быть Майклом. Уебищная у него жизнь.
Message from me, get off your fat ass.
See, this exercise stuff's about as relaxing for you as it is for my wife.
No, I don't want to sleep with you, and no, I don't care that
Капец,
I'm
она
very
машина.
stressful. It doesn't worry me a bit.
Easy.
I'm not stressed out at all. Now go fuck yourself.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Just fuck you. All of you. I'm on a run.
You seem a little upset.
I could still run you into the fucking ground.
Okay. Hey, I played high school football, all right, sweetheart? All state, QB.
Whatever. Just don't have a coronary. Let's go!
Whoa!
Okay, man, boobs! Race you to the beach! I don't know who you're more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio. And this isn't the hurdles! Get back here! Leave your shooting already!
Погодите. Вот так косматия, хорошо. Уранкас, Катерин. Вот это та котенка, папа Кальера. И на бар, только пуфика. На пуфика. Капец. Вот это я спортсмен. Нихера на машина, она бежит за мной. Я сейчас сдохну.
Not too shabby, huh?
Totally null and void. I'd have annihilated you. I'd taken that shortcut.
Yeah, whatever gets you through it. Oh, my chest. Fuck me.
Screw you! You're lucky I'm tapering for a try.
Мариан. Да. Ну, я как раз у психолога. А, вон она. Так, ща подойду. Посмотрим. Вак, 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 вак. О, я эту машину должен угнать.
Come in, Michael.
Yeah, thanks, Doc.
How have you been?
Oh, good. It's been good. No, actually, things ain't been good. Things been a far fucking way from good. I've been acting out. That's what you would call it, I think, right? Acting out.
So what exactly has been the problem?
I'm not good, Doc. Not good at all.
I'm sorry to hear that. Tell me.
I don't know. I guess we've been having these conversations long enough that I can recognize a trigger when I see one. You know, shit that's gonna put me right over the fucking edge. Like my family. My son. My daughter. My wife, especially my wife. I mean, they just set me right off, Doc. You know, there's been this episode. You know, actually it was a culmination of a series of episodes. I pulled this Mexican's house right off the fucking hill. I mean, I think I'm back in it, Doc. I'm back into life. I mean, I gotta make some money, and there's only a couple ways I know how to do it.
You feel the need to explain your decisions, Michael. Take responsibility. So, any other violent urges, friend?
I've been out of control, Doc. I think I got, you know, an imbalance or something. You know, I mean, one minute I'm one person and the next minute I'm another person.
And you sometimes feel you're not responsible for your actions. It's all denial.
Последовать совету.
I really just want to be happy, Doc. That's so bad.
Okay. And what about your sexual behavior?
I've been a really good boy, Doc.
Не знал, что тут выбор такие есть.
I'm glad to hear that. Really glad. Keep working it. This is great.
I just ain't myself right now, Doc. Not since my life went crazy.
Что это было?
You're plainly addicted to chaos.
Кто-то что-то взорвал?
Well, I'm not sure that's true, Doc. I'm not exactly enjoying this. What I'm addicted to is not getting killed. But for some reason, I keep getting my ass into situations where getting killed is a little hard to avoid.
What about the people you kill?
Well, yeah, but that's not for fun.
Are you sure?
Exactly asking, Doc. Am I a psychopath who enjoys suffering? Or a sociopath who doesn't give a flying fuck about the rules? Come on, we've already had this conversation, right? I'm neither. I'm just a fat, washed-up jock who can't get his head around the fact that his high school football career didn't play out the way that he planned. The only way I'm content and competent is with a gun in my hand or a price on my head.
You're very defensive, Michael. Do you consider yourself a failure?
I pay you to listen to my problems. I'm rich, I'm miserable. Half the time my kids can't stand me, the other half, my wife is cheating on me. I kill people without remorse, Doc. I'm pretty average for this town. That's the shot. I think I'm having a breakthrough here, Doc. I know that I'm just terrified that I'm
sure
gonna...
you are, but that's really all we have time for. See you next time.
Okay.
Бля, ну сеанс. 5 минут нахуй. А ведь что-то вот наклевывалось с него, наклевывалось потихоньку. Вот уже же собиралось что-то у него в голове. Ну ё-моё. А что происходит? Давай, ты сможешь! Вперед! Вперед! Вот это мотивационная музыка. Пошли всех нахер! Вперед! Молодец. Блин, у нее прям цель какая-то есть, она куда-то идет. Все, устает малютка. Ё-моё. Не-не, новые силы появились. Прям под припев. Блин, мне бы так же пробежкой заниматься. Ну, это малышка на миллион, да. Удачи ей только может пожелать. Блять, как так?
Had your chance, pal.
Ничего себе. Мы нашли украденную вещь. Так. Все, возвращаем.
Hello there.
Здорово.
Had a change of heart.
This chivalry is dead. I only wish more people were like you today.
Прикольно. Улучшить характеристики персонажа можно. Ну, я типа получил за это $50. Забавно. Хе-хе-хе. Ooh! Oh, look at the setup.
Ooh, too close.
А, это дерьмо. Я вспомнил, да. Легализируйте травку.
Straight to hell. That this state makes illegal. Yeah, this is what I
don't give a fuck about reefer.
They rigged the vote. I saw the ballots. It's a lie.
It's democracy at work, amigo.
Democracy can suck my fatty. Democracy only works when it lets intelligent people do what they want. This is tyranny by morons.
I got things to take care of in a place called reality. Nah, I'm not a drug guy.
This isn't bushweed. This is mana. I grew up myself.
Mana.
No paranoia, no weirdness. A passport to nirvana. Yeah, here you hardly feel it. Yeah, I smoke all day and I'm fine. It's a pure, mellow high. But I do get concerned about the monsters.
Monster.
I mean,
I'm sure they're nothing serious, but
Ёб твою мать. Все, мы справились.
And after that, you see, The liquor companies push for continued prohibition, which is complete insanity. So I take it I can count on your support.
The fuck just happened?
What are you talking about? We discussed globalization, the state.
Stay the fuck away from me.
It's a good cause.
То есть я еще и типа диалог какой-то вел. Пиздец. Так, Лестер, да? Можно пойти к Майклу? Лестер, скорее всего, ну, дальше, типа, двигаться по сюжету. Блин, капец, какая же сильная разница между 4-й и вот 5-й частью. Именно в плане настроения там и так далее. 4-й капец серьезно же, как будто бы. Не, там есть михрёвочки и тому прочее. Но, блин, весь вайп он такой, блин, супер серьезный. И от этого как бы веришь в реализм этого всех событий в 4-й части. Не, ну конечно локация разная. Это понятно.
Hey, how you doing? Hey,
Байгер.
great. Really great. How are you? Well, I know how you are. Do you? Yes. It's obvious. It's really obvious. Once you've studied the literature and done the classwork and studied in a group, it's really obvious. I'm getting really
Кифлом.
close to everything. And you, well, you're still lost. You live in the happiest place in the world, and yet you feel like life is passing you by? That's because you don't know anything at all. Everything you know is a lie. Everything. Listen, brother, if you're interested in the truth,
Смотрим на часы, которых нету.
prepare to be amazed.
Эпсилон программ.
The tract has not yet been written. Okay. Hey, live with your doubts, brother. I'm happy with my certainties. Do you want to be happy? Don't mock my happiness. You may think it's funny, but where will laughter get you? Laughter won't make you happy. Pick a new set of lies. Pick a fellowship.
Так, добро пожаловать. Хотите ли вы быть счастливым, свободным от мысли, или же вы обречете себя на медленную смерть в невежестве, так и не познав своего истинного вечного Я? С вами управляет множество могущественных сил, природы которых вы не понимаете. Хотите ли вы уверовать? Может быть, вы все, что вам нужно, или больше? У вас рыжий волосы? Нет. У вас бывает повторяющийся дежавю? Да нет? Ищете ли вы полного понимания, чтобы ощущать полноту бытия? Нет. Хватит ли вам сил 9 сексуальных партнеров в неделю? Нет, точно нет. Оцениваете ли вы привлекательность других относительно себя? Да, нет? Ну, то есть, это бред какой-то? По себе, типа остальных? Да нет. Я оцениваю привлекательность других относительно, там, скажем, ну, хуй знает, актеров там, каких-нибудь.
I'm an Epsilon.
Или, может быть, относительно людей, которых я знаю.
This is
Ну,
our
типа.
time. Don't believe.
Есть у вас на лице родимое пятно?
Why not be happy? Why not buy into a system
Да вроде нету.
from nonsense and gives
Хотите ли вы стать знаменитым?
sensible to believing
Ну да.
your own happiness?
Способны ли вы видеть в предметах метафоры других предметов, как, например, дерево или орла?
Let me ask you a question.
Ну я хз.
Where do you find happiness? I'm happy. I'm free.
Ну, скажем, если облако летит какое-то, и оно похоже на что-то, то окей. Или, может быть, в дереве, типа, можно увидеть лицо Иисуса. Ну, я не знаю. Ну, нет, скорее. Способны ли вы легко прекратить общение со всей вашей семьей и войти в новый круг друзей?
You can ignore me, but you cannot
Не.
ignore the truth.
Ваши чеки всегда оплачиваются?
That dinosaurs
Ну
are
да.
alive that people believe because they are too weak.
Обработка данных. Так.
The world is only 157 years.
Ваш уровень посвященности составляет 24%, что находится в области очень нежелательно. Ваш график показывает, что вы далеки от осуществления своих желаний, малоуспешны, подавленным, лишены цели в жизни. И порой на вас накатывает настроение выцарапать глаза самому себе или кому-нибудь другому. И поймите, что это вовсе не ваше представление о вас. Нет, это ваше собственное представление о себе, пропущенное через крайне сложный алгоритм аналитической машины, которая продается в любом магазине сувениров Эпсилон. Тут возникает вопрос, цепляетесь ли вы за те рамки, которые вас загоняют? Ваше неверное представление очень важно, чтобы вы отказались от них.
Evolutionary myth. If evolution were true, we'd be able to fly in airplanes. And that's a fact.
На рассвете отправьтесь к перевалу, что изображено на наших брошюрах. Там найдете красный грузовик с помятым правым крылом. Поднимите левую руку и произнесите следующие слова. Брат, дядя, отвези меня к моему отцу Кифлам. Остальное сделаем мы сами. Нихуя себе.
I know doubt, but doubt is the pathway to faith.
Да, это
Do you
жестко.
want to be happy? Don't mock my happiness. You may think
Так. За что? За языческие убеждения, в которые я не верю, и просто потому что я не прошел тест. Я мелочный и плохой человек. О, кайфует.
Those hermaphrodites born without genitals.
Долбоебина жирная. Нахуя тебе...
because I keep hearing hermaphrodite this, suck cock that.
Go away.
What?
Go watch your linear entertainment. Go watch porn. Just go away.
Shit.
Fuck you. What the fuck?
Disrespectful little asshole.
I can't believe you did that. That's my TV.
You don't talk to me like that.
I can't believe you. Mom was right about you. You don't know any better and you can't help it, but you're an asshole.
Yeah, well, why don't you do something then? Besides just stand there. Why don't you hit me?
Is that what you want, to be hit by your son?
Yeah. No.
I just want you to do something. Besides, sit there, eating.
Yeah, great. Thanks for the fucking guidance, Dad. It means a lot.
Wait. I'm just trying to help you.
Well, nothing says I love you like smashing my fucking TV. Nothing at all.
Плачет.
I'm sorry. Just wish we could do things together.
Hey, what things?
I don't know. Go for walks, play ball,
You know I have bad glands.
bike ride then.
Bike ride. You want to go on a fucking bike ride? Fine, fine. Let's go on a fucking bike ride. We'll take a bike ride along Vespucci, and I'll show you just what you want to see.
Ну погоди-ка.
This day was going
Блин.
so well until you showed up. You know that?
Yo, you're lucky to even be allowed out of the house after that boat stunt.
What's the big deal? If anything goes wrong, you can just fake your death and start all over. If I'm hanging with you, I'm listening to my music. Oh, hell yeah. How am I meant to develop my own moral sensibilities when yours are so unbelievably fuck-faced?
Nice try.
Old man despot? Don't push me. Seriously, some guys borrow your phone.
Borrow? You were hiding in the head crying kidnap.
They just took receipt of your property with payment.
Задержка. Капец, ты тупой просто, блин.
They fucking stole it. And who knows what they would have done if they found me. But I didn't expect or want them to get killed.
You think I'm gonna let some guys ride off with my son?
Look, I knew you were a bad guy, but...
Oh, a bad guy.
A crook, a killer, a thief, a liar.
I guess I've been all those things one time or another, right? It's just...
What?
I always thought I was the good guy.
God help the morally bankrupt planet your generation have left us. If you're the good guy.
Yeah.
Anyway, I always knew you were the kind of person who didn't let other people get in the way, but I hadn't, like, seen that happen before.
Yeah, well, that's me, Jim. And I've been trying my best to get things under control for the last 10 years. But that was an extreme fucking situation, and I had to act.
A normal person wouldn't have done that.
Yeah, well, I had to. To protect you.
Yeah, keep telling yourself that when you see their faces every time you close your eyes. Here we are, the bike rental place. Please don't shoot the bike rental guy out of leg, force a habit.
Ебать. О, нифига. Это же наша спортсменка. Малышка на миллион. Нормально. Видимо, она успела, куда хотела прийти. Привет, Мау. Вот, скоростную хуйню возьму.
Into the pier? All right. But if I beat you, you're gonna behave like a human being.
Give it up, Dad. Gone to sea. In this kind of condition, a triathlon would kill him. I'm not gonna be able to stop this thing.
Don't give up, even though you're losing.
If I have a heart attack, it's your fault.
You're a sore loser.
My body isn't meant to work like this, but I'm making it to beat you.
Come on, Jim. Keep pushing.
I'd never fight with the man who murked my flat screen.
Блин, я ему хочу факт показать.
Ain't gonna put me off my stride.
Don't die.
Берду Мухамедов, Гурбангуле, привет.
We're racing. Yeah, we're racing. Fuck off. You murked my TV, and this is payback, bitch. Try and take me then.
А как быстрее ехать?
Don't give yourself a hernia.
Нихуя не. Да, реальный капслок.
I'm just waiting for my moment.
Все, соси хуй.
Work on your fitness, big mouth.
Блять, ты еблан! Как ему хуёво сейчас.
Looks like you're buying your own TV.
You know, this is real nice, Dad. Bonding, good times.
Yeah, I'm giving it my best shot. Come on, we're having fun, right?
You wouldn't know fun if it sat on your face.
Ah, come on.
I mean, why do I have to hold your hand through this whole midlife crisis bullshit? And why don't you stick your nose up Tracy's butt sometime?
Because Tracy doesn't buy cars she can't afford, so that thugs break in our house. Tracy doesn't get kidnapped or destroy my yacht.
Well, that's just because she's too busy getting fucked by dudes to get on TV.
You don't talk about your sister that way.
Well, I'm sorry, but it's true. I mean, according to her Life Invader page, she's hanging out with producers and porno guys this afternoon.
What are you talking about?
Ба.
Actually, it's all happening right out there.
What?
That boat that makes yours look like a refugee raft? The one that makes a young, impressionable girl drop her pants and spread her legs.
This is the reason you brought me here, isn't it? You fuck.
Ah! Dad, wait! Dad, come on now.
У-ху! О, дивный подводный мир. Ща, погоди-ка. Мне стало интересно. А, Человек просто редко заходит. Вот и все. Да. Квесты про подводный мир есть?
I'm a dancer, yeah.
Hey, Magic, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Plus, we're taking you out of here.
Dad, you're embarrassing me. These are my friends.
Yeah, you're embarrassing her, dude.
They're shooting porno here.
They shoot porno all over town. Mom rented our house to them last summer.
What?
Our house?
Yeah.
Man, you got a killer pad, man.
Isn't it awesome?
Let's go.
Those walls can talk.
You think I do it?
Hey,
No.
hey,
Shit,
ain't cool,
Daddy.
man.
What are you doing? Hey!
I like that. You're
Тупорылые
such a jerk.
качки, сука.
Come on!
Dad, you dumbass. These guys are serious.
Yeah, well, so am I. Talk to the seat of my fucking boat. Oh, motherfuckers! Get on, now! I'm about to skin you alive! God damn it! Go!
Вы уверены, что это... Серьезно? Пострелять будете? Ладно, блядь.
Shit, they're coming after us. Go into that outlet.
All right.
Нахуй иди.
God, did you just kill him?
Да, ёбну его,
My
прикинь.
dad will like cap one of your asses.
Maybe he's just injured.
They're shooting. They're effing shooting.
Да, бля, иди нахуй, а.
We'll lose him down here.
Пошел нахуй.
You killed them. Oh my God, this isn't happening.
Take a deep breath, baby. It's okay. I'm taking
Ну, убил и убил, было и было. А они по мне стреляют. Блять, В чем смысл? Я просто толкнул чувака из яхты, забрал свою дочь, а они в меня шмалять. Они ебанутые нахуй.
Have I like got to be a witness because I like did some blow?
You did blow?
Yeah, I did some blow, and that might like make my testimony inadmissible.
You're not admitting anything. There won't be a trial unless you're on a trial for doing blow.
After you ruined my day, stole my friend's shit, capped them, and I'm the one on trial?
They started it. And we wouldn't be in this mess if you hadn't hung out with some creepy-ass portal people and done blow.
Oh, you didn't know I did blow until I told you I did blow. So this should be like an increase
It's
in trust and
America,
honesty
bro.
thing. And porno dudes are the best dudes I could be with.
Porno dudes? Really?
Yeah, they actually respect women and treat us right. It's Los Santos, Dad. What do you expect when he moved here?
Enough! This conversation is over.
Keep hiding
Пиздец какой-то. Бля, ебать Майкл такой человек, оказывается, до охуения. Ну как бы это сказать помягче. Жалкий, что ли?
He's the fucking asshole, okay? He smashed my TV and he took me to the beach. The beach with my skin.
So what, you sent him out to spoil my day too?
I didn't know that he was gonna come get you. I just told him where you were. You know, he got that crazy look in his eyes, you know, like he gets sometimes, and he just went.
I'm getting a cab.
Coming with you.
How about I just drive us home?
You ruined my life.
У тебя, да, я не выебу 3 мужиков. Блять, прикиньте. Она не сможет работать руками. Блять, уебал бы ее нахуй. Эх, пиздец, у тебя хуёвая жизнь, Майкл, я ебал. В триатлоне участие может принять в триатлоне. Жесть. Не, ну ты, блядь, прикалываешься, но это странно, типа... Если, блядь... Ну ты прикинь, ты батя нахуй, ты узнаешь, что сейчас вот-вот твою дочь будут ебать 3 мужиков из порноиндустрии, она станет порноактрисой, типа. Ах, ебать. Тяжело нахуй. Минусы столько денег. Да. Испортил дочке карьеру. Да. Нормально. Ну, хотя, с другой стороны, конечно, тут уже ничего не попишешь. Если у нее уже вот такие вот дети, то все, пизда. Ну, типа, их разве можно спасти? Ну, в том смысле, что, ну, блядь, ладно, вот здесь вот пресекли этот момент, но потом-то она, ну, на любую другую яхту пойдет. И еще на другую какую-нибудь хуйню. Тут уже все как будто бы. Пиздец. Пропащая хуйня. Какой-то ты сексуально зажатый, мистер Стримлер. А, ну я то есть должен был типа сказать. Блин, жалко ее не выебали 3 мужика. Действительно жалко. Знаете, ну, вот в этой ситуации на стороне девочки, она все-таки хотела как-то, ну, самовыразиться, типа, ну, она может только это умеет сейчас по жизни, а учиться, ну, знаете, это же, ну, трудно, ребята. Учиться сложно, это время тратить, это усилия, это как-никак напрягать мозги, там, все дела. Ну, блин, да, но тут надо бы, конечно, жопой поработать, там, типа, ротиком там вверх-вниз поделать, и как бы нормально. И главное улыбаться на камеру. Ну, блин, жалко, конечно, что Майкл все-таки не поддержал ее. Да, действительно. Вообще надо было бы Майклу конкретно заняться своей дочерью и, знаете, договориться с ней. Типа, короче, подвозить ее по понедельникам на съемки и приезжать к ней вечером на студию с полотенцем, чтобы вытирать кончу из ебала и там, ну, с жопы. Ну так, типа, знаете, как заботливый отец. Все-таки он же не работает и так далее. Ну, как бы это... Вот заботливый, хороший отец. Он поступил бы таким образом, да. То есть, подвозить дочку в порно-студию с полотенцем. Это классно. Это классно. Да, действительно, ребята, вы сечете фишку. Вы понимаете, как оно все устроено. Вы действительно мудры. Так. Или тебя же накормили, да. Ебать, братишка отдыхает. Да, просто сексом заниматься это одно. Но связывать свою жизнь с секс-индустрией и становиться, как бы сказать, профессиональным... Ну, смотрите, короче, смотреть не от своей перспективы, а от перспективы женщины, да? То есть она просто становится, типа, просто мясом для ебли. 18 лет. И все, больше она, ну, ничего не будет делать. Это как бы с концами. Все, что она будет заниматься. А так, ну, блядь, типа... Сексом заниматься, это, конечно, нормальная тема. Я вообще девственником был 18 лет, да. Сексом я занялся только в 25 лет, когда повстречал свою жену впервые. Секс вообще он такой, знаете, переоценен. Блин. Где находится триатлон? Ладно, надо мост переехать. Нормальные люди его избегают. Ну а чё вдруг переобулись? Подождите. А вы вот говорите, типа, надо было ее поддержать, все такое. А вдруг, ну, блядь, секс это кринж. Я вообще-то ее спас от кринжа. А вы меня осуждаете. Тиран батя, вся хуйня. Объяснитесь, пожалуйста. Это что за переобувка в воздухе произошла? Марко Легран, здорово. Секс придумали злые капиталисты, чтобы зарабатывать на презиках. Ну, вообще, звучит правдиво довольно-таки. И вообще, знаете, вот раз уж мы живем не в правдивом мире, многополярном, в матрице, так сказать, то как бы вы поймете, что вы на самом деле не кончаете, когда мастурбируете или когда занимаетесь сексом. Это бред. На самом деле вы вблескиваете воздух, мокроту, как из легких, знаете. Это не сперма, это, ну, все пиздеж. На самом деле, как бы, это все искусственно происходит. Появление новых детей и там прочее, это все заговор. Вы это понимать надо, это знать надо. То есть, когда вот происходит что-то такое, ну, то это на самом деле, ну, как бы плевки, но из члена, которые происходят. И они вот белого цвета, потому что, ну, это такая концентрированная мокрота. Так, триатлон, погнали. Да сейчас уже девушка 13 лет. А ты откуда знаешь, Годзон? Подожди-ка, блядь. Ты нашел какую-то 13-летнюю девочку, которая рассказала тебе об этом, или ты был ее партнером? Погнали. Блин, мне хватит выносливости на это говно. Так, следующее это бег, наверное. Лучше стоит полностью выложиться на плавание, а потом уже... Я надеюсь, там дальше велик. Или нет? Ладно, вот тут немного передохнем. Хотя нет. О, велики, 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 велики. Нормально, нормально, нормально. Красный, красный. Вот это я, конечно, прям демон скорости. Как бы не сдохнуть. Блин, он останавливается, что ли, посмотреть? Нормально, нормально. Здоровья хватит. Я не сдохну в триатлоне. Блядь! Еблан, вставай! Вставай, мудак! Вставай! О-о-о, я чуть не сдох. Жесть. О, да, это жестко. Но машина, машина. Новая гонка триатлон. Ничего себе. Так, ну поехали на движуху. Уличная гонка. О, кстати. Тоня. Давайте к Тоне поедем. Потом поучаствуем в гонке. Там туфля нарисован. Ага, магазин обуви. Что дальше скажешь? Вот я не поверил, давай попробуй что-нибудь еще придумать. А вот там пистолет нарисован, это магазин игрушек, наверное, да? Детский мир, да-да-да. Привет, ну, бадавит. Черт побери. God damn it. Ну что на этот раз?
You, Lamar, I mean Franklin or whatever. Everybody on the block knows you gonna Vinewood and shit.
Well, shit, if going Vinewood means I ain't hitting the pipe like 1992.
Punk ass.
What?
Bitch ass.
Excuse me?
Look, I'm sorry. Well, where's your love for the hood? JB ain't doing good. He needs help. We need your help, nigga. We gonna lose everything.
Alright.
Shit.
What do I gotta do?
Same as before, boo. A little help with the tow truck. Nothing for a real man like you.
Alright. You just get yourself together. Your ass don't
Опять экскаватором поработать, ё-моё. Боже, что-то опять взорвалось. Вы слышали? Quack, 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 quack.
Time with this shit, and nothing even happened.
It's all good, baby. I know that wound ain't healed.
Пойдет. Ну окей, давай, поехали.
What you got? 10-4. We got an SUV and a handicap spot without a sticker. It's a Lucky Plucker and Little Gold. Do you copy?
You know I don't copy. I'm an original. Yeah, we got you. JB still sick.
Man, you sure you need me? Cause you look like you know what you doing.
One, I can't drive. And two, this ain't no work for a lady.
Oh, you really fighting the feminist cause there, ain't you, Tiny?
Like your aunt, you mean? I saw her fake jogging the other day, chanting some whacked out nonsense. Hell no. That bitch is crazy.
Yeah, that we can't agree on.
And I got qualifications, honey.
Like hell you do.
I got a certificate in cosmology. You never seen my nails.
What, you going into space now?
You always did think you were so clever. Remember Davis High? You didn't learn shit at that school.
You got your math on the corner.
Да, научился математике на улице. Один черный член. О-хо-хо. Второй, но черный член. Ха-ха-ха. Третий черный член. Ха-ха-ха.
We're on, boo. Let's move it out.
Погнали.
This ain't a job for making new friends, is it?
I thought you'd been into some repo work.
Yeah, that's true. Same shit, but nicer cars.
It's an honest dollar, and there ain't many of those around.
An honest dollar that I ain't seen yet. Man, JB need to get his head straight.
JB's going through a hard time.
A hard time sitting on his ass smoking crack.
I gotta keep his hours up. Word is they gonna sell the business. A new owner ain't good news for the drivers with no papers. JB sold his social for a piece 2 years back.
I see the problem, but I just don't see that as mine.
You too good to cover a brother now?
I'm here, ain't I? I've been covering that brother for 20 years.
Пиздец, конечно. Капец, какая-то терпильная хуйня у каждого героя. Франклин терпит Ламара и прочих долбоебов своего района, нахуй. И эту Тоню, к примеру, тупую пизду. И свою тетю. Вообще пиздец. А у Майкла вообще пиздец какой-то терпильный ад, нахуй. Безумный вообще. Я хуй знает вообще.
And you learned nothing last time? I'll make it up to you, Franklin. You know I will. See you round.
Еще одно одолжение. Так, ну я на этой тачке смогу пройти гонку? Наверное, да.
Girl, don't even get me started. JB again can't get his shit together. I don't know why I don't kick that man to the curb. Useless, don't even do it justice. Oh, what's good with you anyway? You still with that fly guy from Carson Avenue?
Так, вопросики. Блин, игра что-то лагает, как будто, да. Странно так, причем. Причем вот здесь нормально, а там как-то лагает. Ну, это странно, да. Ну, в обувной магазин как-нибудь зайдем, обязательно. Мы в каждой части заходили в обувной магазин. Смотрели, как консультантши обувного магазина танцуют перед нами и предлагают отличную обувь. Ну, правда, там обувь вся женская, не знаю. И это действительно обувной магазин, потому что кроме обуви на них ничего нету. Ну, хотя, может, еще нижнее белье. Но, правда, опять же, нижнее белье там тоже женское. Мужскую, ну, не, ну, там все-таки, как бы, человек семейный, понимаете? Я для себя ничего не покупаю и так далее. Все только жене, там, маме и другим моим любимым женщинам, так сказать. ПРП, конечно же. А мне что, зачем мужскую обувь-то? Бля, опять этот еблан.
Hey, whoa, back up there, cowboy. I know my constitutional rights. Anyway, I know you're coming here to suck cock, so it's alright.
What the fuck you talking about?
Wow, hey, look, I saw quarterback blues, man. And, you know, some of those older records of yours, even they sound a little bit closeted. I'm just saying.
What? A black man walking in Vinewood, you think he Clay PG sellout? You bitch-ass punk motherfucker.
Oh, shit, man. Oh, hey, I'm sorry, dude. I didn't have my contacts in, you know? I mean, I love black people. Yeah, you know, like, I love gangsters. I love, like, gangster rap. Yo, sup?
Man, who gives a fuck if he's gay or not, man? The man is not married. It's his business. Leave motherfuckers alone.
Well, look, I'm just saying that it's the
Paparazzi.
hypocrisy that I can't stand. You know, I mean, of celebrities. I mean, PG, right? He says he's a killer and a murderer and all that great stuff. And then, what, he loves his mother and likes show tunes. I mean, really, what kind of message does that send in our kids? You know what I'm saying? The guy's a fraud.
Well, why do you care, man?
Yeah, because, you know why? Because they all think they're gods, right? Well, fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! They're not magic! No, they're no better than me. They're no better than me. Shit! Oh, shit! Oh my god, it's Miranda! Miranda, I love you, Miranda! Come on! Come on, it's fucking Miranda fucking Cowan!
Man,
She's the fucking megastar!
No, leave me out your shit, man.
Oh, no! We can make vocal bucks!
А, блин, сейчас надо на мотоцикле ехать рядом.
Legs are her aging up and we're in the money, man! In the money, bro! Come on! Come on, man! Come on!
What the fuck is wrong with me?
Let's go! You drive, I'll get the shot. Go! Get us right up alongside that limo! Come on! Let me see the whites of her eyes! She's got it! She's a whore. Oh! Go with your marriage-busting muff, Miranda! You bitch! You don't believe it! She's slamming a speedball in there, man! This is journalistic gold!
Фотка, чел.
You bitch! It's in the public interest! You homewrecker! Man, they don't call her the silicone slattern for nothing! She looks like a bloodhound in a wind tunnel! God, I love her!
Oh, man, no wonder this whole town's in therapy.
There's nothing special about you! Yeah! Oh yeah! Give me more!
We done yet?
No, she still looks too good! I want the prisoner of war shot! That's where the big zeros are!
Сука.
Fans have a right to know everything! I love her! I hate her! Homewrecker! Harlot! Oh yes! We got side boob! We're historians, crusaders of truth, my friend!
Man, we're two creepy-ass stalkers of...
Fuck you, Beverly! This one's mine! Oh no! It's that bottom feeder Madison!
Шакал Мэдисон.
Where's your dignity, man? Forget Miranda. We can't let him steal my exclusive. Get alongside him. I'll knock the weasel off.
Ну ладно.
Stay on that bastard.
Сейчас объем его.
Help! You're stuck trying to play with the big gun. So, oh yeah, I downloaded your pictures to the fucking road, Madison. Now grow up and get a boy's name. Okay, let's get out of here. I'm already late for another stakeout.
Вот такие вот дела.
Parking lot by the Cafe Redemption courtyard in Morningwood?
All right, homie. It's been an education, dawg. Look, keep on making the world a better place, you hear me?
Pat, the public needs to know. Fans deserve answers.
Shit, not if the question is how low is Miranda Collins' love
Потрепанный лоб.
banged out by some second-rate director?
They need to know everything, from crow's feet to camel toes. Hey. Come by the manor next week. We'll continue the search for the truth.
Look, don't wait around for me, homie.
Oh, I'm waiting for you, homie.
Homie. О, нифига себе, я в шлеме. О, да, это было интересно. Так. Поехали на гоночки. Блять, JB пропал.
My brother from another crack mother.
What's going on now?
Крак, мало.
JB. Niggas gone AWOL, baby. I don't know what to do.
Is he ever not AWOL?
He's bad, Franklin. Got his claws in deep this time. They're on to him, leaving messages, saying he gonna get cut. You ain't gonna let his sister starve.
Look, man, I'm not gonna let that happen, all right? Now leave it with me.
Порш. Так, погодите, прям хуй пойми, чё, как вообще слушать. Надо с музыкой что-то поделать. Верни попсу. Родку давай. Ну я ищу нормальную станцию.
I've been an antidimetal.
It's all good, it's all good. How can you...
Вот как будто Mirror более-менее нормально. Я и забыл, что я так умею. Блять. Привет, Скар, здорово. В отдельной папке. Альфрут радио. Нет, это что-то местное. Ну а так, по-моему, можно было заливать свои треки как-то. Я хз. Если так, то и... Ну, не знаю, может в Вайфруте то есть действительно. А, блин. Не, ну Порш шустрый. Прикольная машина. Быстро, что капец. Ну что ж, опять работать.
Yo, I can handle that.
10-4. Put the hammer down.
Машина на железных путях. Звучит интригующе.
Something went very wrong as a drug deal at a recycling plant in La Puerta turned into a violent shootout, leaving several gang members dead, and police confused as to what has caused this recent upsurge in extreme gang crime. The police have called for calm and responded by flying a lot of helicopters over poor neighborhoods all night long in a show of community spirit. Rural areas outside Los Santos are reporting a dramatic
По новостям говорят о перестрелке, в котором мы были.
Proposition 208 is
Holy crap, that was close.
in the first place. Patients in wheelchairs and yuppies in sports cars crowded a park in Los Santos to rally for the passage of a measure to legalize medical cocaine.
My God, you showed up. Any chance you could take me to a mechanic so I can get that death trap fixed?
As arguments broke out about things that are
That's a bad place to break down.
Yeah, it started spluttering at the crossing. Then the engine just cut out. Damn car, foreign trash. I've told my wife 100 times, but she's like, "Oh no, Phil, you can't say that." She'll soon change her tune when she finds out I nearly died. All this fancy eco crap they put in cars now.
Эко-срань.
We never signed that treaty. A mile less to the gallon, and maybe I would have ended up on top of the train tracks. I'm at a loss for words.
Could have fooled me.
Makes a nice change, though, to get towed for a good reason. Normally, I'd be cussing you out. You know, asking you how you sleep at night.
I'm sure you would, man.
You been in the business long?
I ain't exactly in the business. Just helping out a friend, dog.
He said actually liking old films was counterproductive in today's movie business, but he did
Вот и
love
поговорили.
blockbusters and small plastic toys, and that was more important. Back to you in the studio.
Блин, нормально так. Спас машину. И человека.
Okay, thanks again. That could have been much worse.
Пожалуйста.
If it ain't the finest man in South LS.
You can tell JB I did his work for him again.
I will, boo. Soon as he wakes up.
А, уже час ночи. Так, игра.
go and eat at a diner that only serves twats.
Трек какой-то заиграл интересный.
I'm just proud of the journey I've been on. It means so much to me. And my sick brother and our dead dog. Did I mention my mother, Laszlo? Did I mention nobody cared? Well, she abandoned me.
Whoopsie-doo! People are abandoning the show in droves. Our ratings are in the toilet. Somebody do something controversial. Anita, flash your titties.
No!
Have a mental breakdown or something.
Unacceptable! Look at this.
Shoot him in the nuts. I can't lose this gig. I got a mortgage to pay.
When I feel anxiety, I visit Hill Farm.
My dad foreclosed on our farm.
Hold on, wait a minute. Listen, I'm still gonna fight William.
Yeah, exactly. All right, we've got one more vote on Fame or Shame. Hugh.
Hi. I'm going to vote. Fame. Fame. America needs power ballads sung by top talent with exciting backstories like you. And I'd like to sign you to my record label and make you a star. First, please, will you do me a favor?
What? Anything? What?
Do the honors, get us out of here, and take him out.
What?
Punch him in the face.
Sorry.
The finals. We'll have more finals next week. Brought to you in association with
Заебись.
cars and the drone. Just like the ivory phone, let you look down on people in a whole new way. We'll see you on the next finals of Fame or Shame.
Хорош.
Don't miss the next episode of Fame or Shame, the finals.
Да. Прикольно. О, блин, эти ребята. Так, потом как-нибудь посидим, посмотрим на это. Блять, сидит нахуй.
Ain't that the truth?
Oh, I'm gonna leave that. Okay.
Да. Сохраняемся. Ну что, неплохо поиграли сегодня. Я думаю, довольно-таки продуктивно, я считаю. Много чего сделали. Нифига себе, что Тупак был? Похож. Ну ладно. Да. Завтра продолжим прохождение GTA. А сегодня пойду спать. Час ночи уже. Час ночи. Надеюсь, вам все понравилось. А я пойду спать. Все. Спокойной ночи. И приятного вечера. Всем пока.